Subtitles are available. Hey guys. In this video, we are gonna see how to edit a picture based on bitter truth of quarantine days. Kindly watch this video till end and make this video something useful.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Open your picsart app. You can get this image from the description below. Now, go for add photo. Make sure you have a pose like this. And now for cutout option. Select the outline of the picture. This may not be perfect, so correct some places. Adjust the position of your picture. Here, you may notice some unwanted things in outline. To fix this, go for adjust and change some settings. Now, go for tools and select dispersion. Select some particular part of the image. Now, you can adjust your amount of size, stretch and direction. Hope you guys make use of this video. Reveal your thoughts in comment below. Share and subscribe for more videos.